Well, hello, lovely people. Welcome. If you're new here, my name is Key Arrow or K Green Art. As you can see, my lovely paintings are over here in the background. So welcome to the family. So in today's video, I will be unboxing and reviewing handmade luxury art supplies that I found off of Etsy. So for those of you who don't know what Etsy is a website where you can buy and sell handmade items on. So it can be fashion, it can be art supplies. Like I ain't gonna lie, I be getting stuck on Etsy sometimes. Enough of that, let me go ahead and get started with the video. But first, y'all, if you're liking my energy in the video, how it's going so far, please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. You know, you ain't gonna lose no money, you ain't gonna lose no sleep. So please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel. I promise you, you will not regret it. Thank you so much in advance. So altogether, I have purchased 3 items, okay? And I want to say probably like altogether, everything came out to be like around around 100 to almost like 160, 150. And for people who actually do buy art supplies, that's very, very expensive. But if the quality is there, then I don't mind paying a little bit extra for it. So the first thing that I'm going to go through is this right here. I believe I got this from Minnesota. The other 2 packages are from out of the country. So stay tight. Okay, we almost getting there, y'all. It was packaged very, very nicely. Okay. Oh, very nicely. I like this. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I am a sucker for packaging and nice things. And here it is. A little thank you. Oh, that is so sweet. Is this a bookmark? It can be. It says, thanks so much for your order. May this sketchbook pocket help you to create the most amazing things. That is so sweet. So as you just heard me say, this is a sketchbook pocket. Basically, you put this on your sketchbook. Like, I'll give you like a little small example. This is probably a little bit too small for it, but basically all you're gonna do is this, put it on like this. And then you also can put your, oh, she even got, girl, I appreciate you. This is smart. This is very smart. And then all you do is put your art supplies, utensils, whatever, inside of here. That's it. And I don't know about y'all, but me, I have a lot of pencils, pens, and stuff like that I carry inside of a bag. So if y'all don't want to carry around a heavy bag all the time, this is a way easier option. It's very lightweight, it's very tough, very accessible. And like, I have no issues with closing my book or nothing like that. And I believe this was what, I got it on sale, I believe for like $22, but I think the regular price of it is $25. And this one is a large, and they do come in like smaller sizes. I will link the seller information down below in the description, so you all can buy from her too, okay? But this is awesome. Thank you so much for it. Now let's go to the next item, okay? So y'all, this is the very, very next item. This item came from Germany. You see right there? Came from Germany. And when I tell you, this seller was very quick with their shipping. I think I ordered it and they shipped it off the very, very next day. And I want to say it probably took like either a week or 2 weeks for it to get here. This was very fast shipping for it to be out of country. So here it is. It's also unpackaged very nicely. So let me stop rambling. Let me start rambling and get this open for y'all, okay? So, ooh, okay. This came in nice, okay? So you can see, oh my gosh, they packaged this nicely. I haven't even got into the good stuff yet. So yeah, this is how it looks on the outside. I got it, that, it says art right here. Oh, I didn't do all that. This is nice. This is real nice. It's thick, it's sturdy, and it actually has like very nice quality paper inside of it also. Y'all, I don't know about you, but I have like, my guilty pleasure is buying a lot of sketchbooks and never finishing them. But I feel so with this one, I feel so this will encourage me to start drawing in it more often, because this is beautiful. I don't know if you can see the actual details in it. Let me see if my sketchbook pocket fits on here. And this is a dope ass color combination too. Oop. Let me see if it fits on here. And boom, here it is. It fits perfectly. It closes. All that good stuff. Okay. So for this book right here, I want to say I paid $28, but I forgot how much it was for shipping. But I'll post everything over here on the screen right here. And I also will list this seller information also on the screen and down below in the description if you all are also interested. This will be a beautiful gift towards anyone who is an artist or just someone who wants to take notes. So y'all over here feeling like somebody I'm over here feeling like somebody bougie auntie right now, cause baby, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, let me stop rambling and go on to the very next item. And the last item. This one came from Spain. From Spain. And I want to say out of all the items that I had ordered, this is the only one that took a little bit longer, but they shipped it out very soon. So let me just go ahead and get this one out the way. Ooh, what the hell? Oh, this thing on here tight. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Okay, so I got it opened up right here. Boom, boom. And it's also packaged very nicely, very secure. Oh, this is so cute. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so here they are right here. These are handmade pastels. Handmade. And out of all the supplies that I ordered off of Etsy, these were the most expensive. I ain't gonna lie to you. I want to say these came out to be like around either $50 or $60, and then shipping was $14, I believe. If not, I will put all the information right here on the screen. But yeah, I'm most definitely try these out. These are actually way bigger than I thought that they will be. So now that we've all seen everything together, I'm gonna go ahead and actually just start, you know, being my artsy self and draw something in here while using these. Okay, so y'all, I'll be back to show you what I drew, and just stay a little bit longer so y'all can see the process. Okay, thank you all so much. So I'm back and I got my opinions and decisions about these products. First, let me start by saying that this is an awesome ass product. I love it. Two, it is not a she. Kind of I was saying she and girl, all that, whatever. It is a he who made this product. His name is Seth. So Seth, I'm sorry for thinking that you're a girl. It was just an automatic thought process. Thank you again. This is awesome. Let's start talking about this sketchbook right here. Like I mentioned before, it is a beautiful product. It is handmade, all the nice stuff. Very, very nice quality. However, if you have grease or like lotion on your hands, it will stain this sketchbook. Since it's not a hard cover or anything like that, I believe it is like cardboard. I could be mistaken, but I will list like all the information right here on the screen somewhere if I do find it. It will get stained because like right here, not for sure you all can tell, like right here, and also a little bit too on this back right here, it got stained, and I literally was just using it for like the first 5 minutes. So if you like how nice this product looks and you don't want to get dirty, that's not happening. So if this is a issue with you, I will advise you not to get this sketchbook. Maybe something that's a little bit more plasticky, or you know, something that doesn't get stained very easily. Now, I did draw inside of here, It's not my best work, but I just wanted to test out this and also these pastels right here. So, oh, this looks awful. But whatever, it was for the sake of the video. So this is how the picture came out right here. And the paper, it did hold up very, very well. I know with certain sketchbooks, if they're on the cheaper side, when you're drawing and erasing in them, it will like leave a smudge or like a dent in the paper. Like the quality of the paper isn't the best. But with this, I had no issues. It erased beautifully, all that good stuff. Okay, so here's how it look. But now, with this bad boy, let me get y'all with this real quick, okay? Let me start out saying that the presentation and the quality of these items is out of this world. I'm feeling real bougie just holding this right now. However, since I'm not really a big user of using pastels, these were a little bit hard to maneuver because I'm more so than that uses pastel pencils. And here they are right here. Now these are also a little bit pricey. I believe these were like around like $70 or $80 just for 40 pencils. And y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little bit fancy when it comes to me and my art supply, because for me it is quality over quantity all day every day. But that's besides the point. So what I didn't like about these was the fact that they take up a lot of space in your hands. So I can't really get control of my art the way how I would like to. Like this is huge compared to a pencil. And this, yeah, I can get way better control with these compared to these. So I think that would probably that is probably my only complaint when it comes to using these right here. I just don't have better control the way how I would like using pastel pencils. Yeah, if I'm being quite honest, would I ever purchase these again? Honestly, I wouldn't. Not because the quality is bad, but because I just don't have much control over these the way how I would like. But yet again, these are still some beautiful items. And y'all, that's it. If you're looking to buy any of your art friends or family, whatever, or creatives, something for birthdays, Christmas, whatever, these are some beautiful gifts to keep in mind. I will list everything down in the description. Thank you for everybody who watched this far. You all much appreciated. Thank you so much. You all have a great day, okay? Thank you.